Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing my current favorites, like my current obsessions with you guys. So मैंने कुछ ही दिनों पहले एक पोल डाला था Instagram पे कि आपको क्या देखना है अनाका हॉल और my current favorites, and you guys voted for current favorites. So here I am. I want to include some products which can be used by boys as well. In today's video I'm going to be sharing my current favorites. Mostly they are like hair care, skin care and some personal care. That's it for my intro, and I think we should start now. But आगे बढ़ने से पहले make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because if you join me there we can talk more. And also I have a giveaway in this video. It's my birthday is coming. My birthday is really close. It's 3rd June and I think ये वाला वीडियो उसी के आसपास ही पोस्ट होने वाला है. So stay with me, and yeah, I think it's long enough. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the first thing which I'm wearing right now. This is the t-shirt that I'm wearing. It's from Roadster, जो कि Myntra में available है, and the price of this I think it's 260 or 80 के बीच में कुछ होगा. Ever since I got this one, I'm wearing only and only this. गर्मी लग रही है because मैंने इस रूम पे फैन ऑफ करके रखा है. फैन उस रूम में चल रहा है anyway because it's so lightweight and so breathable, and also then you can wear this for the whole day. और आपको कुछ भी फील नहीं होगा कि यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग व्हिच इज बॉदरिंग यू. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस टॉप एंड आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय लाइक मोर कलर्स इन दिस सेम टॉप. दिस इज द फर्स्ट आइटम फ्रॉम माई फेवरेट लिस्ट. द सेकेंड वन इज, सोचा नहीं था दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई फेवरेट, बट दिस इज द काया वाइट इल्यूमिनेंस brightening bead face wash. Basically these are AHA, vitamin D and E face wash for all skin type. This is such a great face wash. It has beads, but they are so tiny and so round. They don't feel harsh or anything. They are like so gentle on your skin. Again, technically skin. One thing that this one also doesn't bother, but they cleanses your skin so nicely. I love this one specifically because it has those beads and it has AHA, so it is going to be a little bit exfoliating. If you have थोड़ा सा texture वाला problem आपकी skin पे, or if you have like थोड़ा बहुत blackheads and whiteheads, it's going to help to cleanse your whiteheads and also dead skins. So that's the reason it makes your skin so nice. And the third product is this one. This is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I have already used this पूरा टब इसका, एंड देन आई बॉट द जेल मॉइस्चराइजर. बट मुझे ये ज़्यादा पसंद आया देन द जेल वन. आई फील लाइक इट डोंट मॉइस्चराइज माई स्किन दैट वेल. इट फील्स अ लिटिल ड्राई आफ्टर सम टाइम, बट this one does the job very well. So after applying this, your skin feels so smooth, so supple, so your skin looks so nice and glowy, but doesn't feel sticky or oily anything at all. And after I apply this, my makeup glides so nice and smoothly. So I really like this moisturizer. My sister also uses it. She has a little bit oilier skin than mine. She also likes it. This one is for all skin type and I really like it. We're gonna move on to some hair care product. So this is my forbidden product, you guys. I mean, I have this one. I'm using this one since 1 year now, but I never ever shared this one. This one is from Kaya again. This is the Scalp Detoxifying Tonic. By the way, it's a glass bottle. If you like the packaging, by the way, this is how it looks from the inside. That's your packaging. It's a glass bottle. It comes with a dropper. What you have to do is, after you wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner and everything, take some and then you have to put this on your scalp directly. Then you have to massage it like this. Now if you have like hair fall and dandruff का नहीं बोलूँगी, but hair fall में it helps a lot. It boosts the growth of your hair. If you are a person जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall होता है and your hair growth is so slow, this one is the booster for your hair growth basically. Now I don't care if my hairs are falling because I know my baby hairs are growing constantly. I can see the difference. आपको एक बारी में एक दिन में नहीं पता चलेगा. You have to wait like for 2 to 3 weeks and you will notice there are so many baby hairs on your scalp. I will recommend this product to everybody who is suffering from hair fall right now. Next product is this one. This is the Leave-On hair serum. I know I need this in my life. I can't do anything on my hair without this. I have nothing to say about this. This is a really old OG product. You just have to take जितना भी आपको चाहिए होता है आपके palm में and then just rub it and comb through your hair. After using this, my hair feels so nice, soft and smooth and just shiny, which I really like. The next product is this one. This one is basically a wooden comb. So I have switched to a wooden comb I think like 2.5 years ago. ये आपके हेयर को काफ़ी अच्छे से डिटेंगल भी कर देता है एंड ऑल्सो इट गिव्स यू अ रियली नाइस मसाज काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग. इट इज़ रियली गुड फॉर लाइक योर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ऑन योर हेयर्स. प्लस इट्स नॉट प्लास्टिक सो इट विल नॉट क्रिएट एनी फ्रिक्शन जिसकी वजह से आपको हेयर फॉल भी ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे, ब्रेकेज भी ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. प्लास्टिक कॉम्स आर बेसिकली प्लास्टिक जो कि आप अगर कुछ दिन बाद फेंक भी देते हो तो वो डिस्पोज नहीं होंगे अच्छे से. दिस इज नॉट द हार्म योर नेचर. बाय द वे दिस वन इज अ नीम wood comb and I will suggest you to just switch with a wooden comb because they are not so expensive. Like this one cost me ₹150 if I'm not wrong. I will link down a wooden comb in budget because I don't know if it's still available or not, but I bought this from Nykaa. Yeah, I will link it down below. So the next thing is from my personal care. This is the Nivea Roll-On. This is the variant Protect and Care. I love it. This smells like a baby. Even the baby is done with their skincare. After that, जो baby का smell आता है ना उनके body से, literally it smells exactly like that. You take a bath and then you use it on your underarms. Wait for it to dry and then you controls your odor really nicely. By the way, इसका जो smell है, it will last you like for 6 hours. मेरे पे ये 6 hours तक इसका actual smell है वो रहता है and after that it controls my odor up to 12 और 14 आवर्स तक. तो ये आराम से ओडर काफ़ी देर तक ही कंट्रोल करता है. आई नेवर थॉट कि आई एम गोना फेल इन लव विद दिस वन बिकॉज मैंने पहले भी काफ़ी रोल-ऑन यूज करे हुए हैं एंड दे आर नॉट अप टू माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. उनका इफेक्ट 4-5 घंटे के बाद टोटली खत्म हो जाता था. बट आई एम सो amazed by this product. That's the reason I'm so happy with this product because in summers I just don't like body odor and I think everybody needs this, like a man or a woman, doesn't matter. This is so important and the smell is so neutral now, so ये men या women दोनों के साथ ही चला जाएगा. So you can definitely check this one out. This is such a great product. The next product is this one. This is the Plum Body Loving. Basically ये Plum का ही एक sister line है. This is their body mist in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. Comes in a cardboard packaging. This is the actual packaging, guys. Oh, this is so good. Okay. मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है. I'm so bad when it comes to explaining scent. It is like breeze of a sea, ocean breeze mixed with some tender coconutty smell and some very fresh floral smell also mixed within and a little bit of melony kind of a smell. With the fragrance I'm obsessed. But the only con of this product that it doesn't last that long. It will last for like 4 to 4.5 hours, not more than that. You have to reapply this. But I can't complain, because it's a body mist. It's not a perfume कि ये आपको 7-8 घंटे तक या 12 घंटे तक चलता ही रहेगा. It's a body mist, so it is supposed to fit. Now, the last product is this one. It's the Bella Panty Liner. And I really like Bella as a brand. Like Bella का जो भी panty liner का boxes होता है ना, they are so affordable. I have told you, कोई एक वीडियो में मैंने आपको शायद बोला होगा that panty liner are so useful. You can use them in multiple way. But I like to use it on my last day of periods, so because your body knows that your flow is really less. Getting a big pad, if it's not wet, you are numb, not totally wet. Plus the pad is dry, so whenever they rub with each other and you got so much of lashes and all of that. So that's the reason I really like panty liners, because panty liners are really small, so they absorb whatever wetness थोड़ा बहुत होता है, they absorb it. Also they don't feel that you are wearing anything, So that's the reason you don't get any lashes. So I really like, and I'm so dependent on panty liner. That is it. My favorites are done. And also I really want to share another thing with you guys. So I recently bought this one, menstrual cup from Salona, variant small. By the way, it comes in that kind of a packaging. It comes with a pouch, and here is the cup. Okay, literally I researched for 3 years and then I bought this one. मैंने बहुत हिम्मत जुटा के ये लिया है and I'm really looking forward to use this. But yeah, अभी तक मेरे periods आए नहीं है, so I'm not using it. But if you know me, you know me. I just tried once कि ये कितना ज़्यादा painful होगा कि नहीं होगा, but it's not that painful, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a video on how my first period cup experience is going to be. So yeah, stay tuned for that. मुझे लगा कि मुझे बस दिखा देना चाहिए, तो मैंने दिखा दिया. So happy that you guys chose a current favorite, not a haul, because कुछ products which I want to share with you from a really long time, but it wasn't possible back then. So now coming to the giveaway part. So I am going to give like one of you guys this cleanser. So this is the Dermaco cleanser. So this one is a really nice clean cleanser. It will cleanse your skin, will prevent all like acne and stuff like that. So if you want to win this giveaway, what you have to do? So you have to subscribe to my channel and you have to share this video with your friends. Tell them to watch this video, and also if they want to participate, they have to do the same thing. Yeah, also you have to comment why a cleanser is important to you, and also you guys have to follow me on my Instagram. I'm just doing it for you guys. I just want to give something to you, मेरे birthday पे basically. So yeah, because it's my birthday, I think just celebrate it किसी एक way में. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway, and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like this, comment down. You have to comment down if you are participating in the giveaway, and also share the video with your friends. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna be meeting in my next video very soon. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and bye bye. And also stay at home, okay? बहुत ज़्यादा कोरोना फैल रहा है. So yeah, bye bye.